What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode. Today we're out here fishing the main lake. We're gonna try to work our way back into the small creeks. There's some big fish inside this lake here, so we're gonna see what we can do to see if we can catch any of those big ones. Right now we have cold front. Heavy rain is supposed to be coming out here later here today. Hopefully we can get some fish here for you guys before that does kick in. Again, please like, subscribe, stay tuned. There's gonna be some more content coming in the future. Oh shoot, he hit a bite. Got it. Got it. Got him. Come on, big one. Oh yes. Good fish. Good time. There we go. Ah, there we go. That's a decent one. Alright. There you go. Oh my god. I knew it. Come on, don't break my line. Don't break my line. Don't break my line, baby. Come here. Come here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't break my line. Yeah, baby. Woo. Oh, scary. Whew. Yes. Got a good one. Good one. Yeah, that scared me. Alright. This is probably a 3-4 pounder. There we go. There you go. Oh my god! Come here. Come here. Oh, it came off. Oh my god. Got him. Got him. Goes. He swallowed that bug. Over here. There we go. Boom. Another one. Oh, these are fun to catch. Stout little guy. Get in there. Get in here. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Look at the size of that bass. All right. Oh my god, it's a big female. That's a big female. It's a big female. Come here, baby. Oh my god. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my god! Get it! Get it! Oh my god! Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh my god, you guys. Look at that. Big old boy. Woo. This rain, don't give up in the rain. Whew.
I guess you're not here.
I am here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is a bigger one! Oh my god! Come on! Get in there! Get in there! Don't come off! Don't come off! Don't come off! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
Your voice is so funny.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You sound funny.
Damn! Dude! Time to let him go. Dude, I did not expect him to be that big. Look at him. Gotta jump. Are you guys gonna call it a day? Super cold, wind started to pick up, raining all day, started pouring even more. It's getting really, really chilly. Gonna head back to the ramp here just to make sure, you know, I can stay warm, stay dry. You know, had a good day. Went to the back of the creeks. A lot of big ones caught, lost a lot of big ones as well. And stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. There's gonna be more content to come. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.